Hi friends, today we will learn some properties of acid, basicity of an acid and types of acids, monoprotic acids, diprotic acids, triprotic acids and some industrial uses of some acids. Some properties of acids, they taste sour, they turn blue litmus paper to red. They produce hydrogen and hydronium ions in water. They taste sour. They corrode metals. Their electrolytes react with bases to form a salt and water. pH is less than 7. These are some properties of acids. Basicity of acids. Basicity of an acid is the number of replaceable hydrogen ions in one molecule of the acid. There are three types of acids: monoprotic acids, diprotic acids, and triprotic acids. Monoprotic acids, the acids which produce one proton in aqueous solution, is known as monoprotic acids. Examples of monoprotic acids: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, hypophosphoric acid. HNO3 gives H plus and NO3 minus. Diprotic acids, the acid which can donate two protons in aqueous solution, are known as diprotic acids. Examples of diprotic acids: phosphoric acid, chromic acid, sulfuric acid, oxalic acid. H2SO4 gives 2H plus and SO4 minus 2. The acids which can donate 3 protons are known as triprotic acids. Examples of triprotic acids: orthophosphoric acid H3A gives 3H plus A minus 3. Now let us discuss about industrial uses of some acids. Industrial use of hydrochloric acid. It is used for cleaning metallic items and in dyestuffs, tanning and printing industry. Industrial use of sulfuric acid. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, chemicals, paints, dyes, plastics, synthetic fibers, detergents, explosives, and carburetors. It is called the king of chemicals. Industrial use of nitric acid. It is used for manufacture of fertilizers, explosives, dyes, plastics, and drugs. Industrial use of acetic acid. It is used as vinegar in cooking and food preservatives. Industrial use of boric acid. It is used as eye wash and talcum powder. Industrial use of carbonic acid. It is used as making aerated drinks.